Hello everyone. In this video we will learn 20 ways to express love in Spanish. Let's begin.
Eres mi razón de ser.
You are my reason for being.
No puedo imaginar la vida sin ti.
I can't imagine life without you.
Contigo soy feliz.
With you, I am happy.
Mi corazón late por ti.
My heart beats for you.
Eres el amor de mi vida.
You are the love of my life.
Cada día te quiero más.
I love you more every day.
Te amo más de lo que las palabras pueden expresar.
I love you more than words can express.
Te amo hasta el infinito y más allá.
I love you to infinity and beyond.
Siempre estaré a tu lado.
I will always be by your side.
Eres mi alma gemela.
You are my soulmate.
Te quiero con toda el alma.
I love you with all my soul.
Te amo más que a nada en este mundo.
I love you more than anything in this world.
No hay nadie como tú.
There is no one like you.
Eres lo mejor que me ha pasado.
You are the best thing that has happened to me.
Mis pensamientos siempre están contigo.
My thoughts are always with you.
No puedo vivir sin ti.
I can't live without you.
Eres mi felicidad.
You are my happiness.
Te amo más de lo que puedes imaginar.
I love you more than you can imagine.
Eres mi refugio en este mundo.
You are my refuge in this world.
Eres mi sueño hecho realidad.
You are my dream come true. Hope you found these useful. Which one is your favorite? Write in the comments. Do like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for more Spanish lessons.